Let's have a quick look at the Coospider UV 25 watt UVC light bulb. There is an option to get this with the ozone or no ozone. Technically this is a germicidal lamp. It's a UV light sanitizer for all different rooms like your house, restaurants, convention centers. You can use it anywhere to disinfect rooms. You have the option to get ozone or no ozone. And what the ozone does, it actually provides disinfectant in the room where the light doesn't project. So it'll get into corners that it's like shadows or the light can't reach, and it disinfects it. And you do have the option to add a timer. So you can get one of these timers that actually have 15-minute, 30-minute, or 60-minute timer on there, and the on and off button. You could actually screw it in like this and place it in your bathroom, in your lamp, or your bathroom chandelier, and disinfect your bathroom, your bedroom, anywhere. Let's have a closer look at it installing. I suggest leaving the styrofoam on the bulb and not touching the glass bulb with your hands. Note, the oil from your hands can shorten the life of the bulb. Now let's have a closer look at the lamp up close in detail. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.